Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs for a living. And I want to introduce Ryan Ritz over here. He's going to be helping me out with some videos. You want to say hi, Ryan?
Hey, I'm Ryan.
And Ryan's from a different country. I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section what country you think he's from, because I was way off and maybe you guys can do better. But anyways, today we're going to be working on a 1957 AirStream. It's actually a multi-day project. We've got several projects that we're going to be doing, and I want to take you guys around real quick and just show you all of the stuff we're going to be doing to this AirStream. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to be doing here is this regulator. You can see it's got an air leak on it, and we can definitely smell LP. And I did bring a new regulator with me. Then another project we're going to be doing here is he's actually taking the wheels off of this RV. He's not going to be traveling in this RV. This is going to be specifically a guest house only. But he wants to remove the black tank in here and hard pipe it right into the septic tank. So I think we're going to use a cutting tool. We're probably just going to cut these bolts right off to drop this tank. And then he's got his drain over here. We're going to have to hard pipe this from there into the RV. And then his water heater is ancient. As I said, this is a 1957. There's barely enough, well, he said there's barely enough water coming out of this thing to even do dishes. So we're going to be installing a tankless water heater in this RV. This is the back side of the water heater, and this is the first time I've personally seen copper plumbing inside of an RV. Yeah, so this is what we've got to work with. In fact, let me show you what else they've got going on here. They've got all of the plumbing in this RV is right on the floor. Everything is right on the surface. We've got some electrical just laying on the floors here too. Show you what it looks like under the sink. Yeah, it's copper plumbing everywhere. Let me know if you guys have ever seen this. This is the oldest RV I've worked on ever. As I said, it's a 1957. And then another project we've got is this Dometic refrigerator is not working. So I've already done a little bit of research on this, and it seemed like the heating element was, supposed to be putting out about 40 to 50 ohms, and we were only getting, what was it, Ryan?
I think we were getting about between 10 and
10 and
15.
11.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to be replacing the heating element. And then one other thing that he has mentioned is, as you can see, we got more wires and stuff right on the surface back here, but he said that this water pump is not working either. I brought another water pump with me just in case, but it's possible we could get this one going.
Hi guys, I'm Ryan. I figured that I would quickly take a moment to show you the entire 1957 AirStream, and also where it's set and the setting that it's on. It is absolutely beautiful. This is another reason why Dave and I love what we do. Why don't you come along with me? This right here is the 1957 AirStream. It is located right here in beautiful Squim at the base of this beautiful range of mountains. And we have these two beautiful horses that we get to say hi to while we work. I don't think that... Dave, do you know of many offices that have a better setting than this?
No, this is great. I am loving this. This is amazing. On this one, the bracket that came with the new one is different than the old one, so I have to put this bracket on here. He does want us to test this furnace here. This is definitely an antique furnace. And it's a manual light too.
Yep. So in order to light it, we're going to have to depress this valve and turn it all the way to the pilot. And then light the pilot through this
Nice.
pilot hole right there, We have to leave this depressed for about 30 seconds to ensure that the pilot stays lit before we turn the furnace to the on position, at which point hopefully we'll see the burners ignite. Alright, and there we have the flame. That is the good. And
it's working.
our burners are lit. So now we'll just leave this furnace running for while we're working on some of the other appliances, and also bring our propane tester LP detector so we can ensure that there is no LP gas leaks while this furnace is running or in operation, so that our client will be safe when using heating in this cabin.
Now this is the refrigerator from the outside. Looks like there's been some animals in here building a nest. We're going to clean that up, and I'm trying to take this apart so I can get a look at the burner, and I need to get this heating element out of here, which seems to be seized.
Now, I just gotta finesse it out of here.
Have you guys ever seen anything like this? This light is actually run on propane. It's got a propane line running through the cupboard there and down, and I'm pretty sure it's tapped into the oven, but we're gonna light this thing up. Let's go ahead and fire it up, Ryan.
Yeah, so this is quite an exciting piece to see. It's actually got a valve on the top here.
Oh yeah.
Where you can control on or off the valve for the gas, and then down here you light it, and you have propane lighting up your lights.
Yeah, that is amazing. You never
You don't see them anymore.
You don't see them
anymore.
no.
Probably a fire hazard, but still very cool to see.
Yeah, definitely cool. That is awesome.
And you probably only see them in a 1957 AirStream.
And it's going to put out some heat in the winter too. Yeah, there we go.
That's actually pretty warm.
All right, guys, I think we're going to have several videos on this project, but I'm going to go ahead and end the video here for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.